is Kivia. I hope you guys are having a good day. So I won't keep you long today. It's a pretty short video. I wanted to share a DIY with you all. Okay, for this project, you will need some black sketchbooks. I did find mine at Walmart, or you can try your local craft store. The big one was $8.98 and the smaller one was $5.54. I thought these were the perfect solution to making these books because this is exactly what I was looking for. I did use my Silhouette machine to create the labels, but if you do not have a cutting machine, you can find some stickers at the Dollar Tree, or I've even seen some at Walmart, or if you have a Hobby Lobby in your area. But I am definitely pleased with the way these books turned out. All right, I just wanted to show you guys a few updates I made to the living room since I took the Christmas decor down. I pretty much like to repurpose my items. So the gold pillows that you see on the couch were some that I had in our bedroom. I just decided to put them down here because the living room was looking real bare, especially after the holidays. You know, once I removed all of my Christmas decor, I'm like, okay, what am I going to do next? I decided I'm not going to be decorating for Valentine's Day. If I see some stuff I like, I may pick it up, but I really want to go for a more neutral vibe instead of the traditional reds and pink. But if I see some stuff I like, I may pick it up, or I just may DIY some stuff if I'm feeling the Valentine's vibes. But that's not a big holiday that I look forward to decorating, but you know, I really see some cute stuff for some people. So just to show you guys, I just added the gold pillows. I already had the cream and the smaller ones on here. I just wanted to make it look a little more full because it was looking a little bare. And I also added this vase flowers, and I can't even think of the name right now, but yeah, I put those in there. And then this is pretty much the same. I have been thinking about adding some black in my living room, but I'm not exactly sure what I want to do yet. So I need to create some type of inspiration board before I even start on that. And then I just added the gold ones over here as well. And then I need to put a blanket inside of that basket, but these were in our room, so I decided to bring these down here. I already had the blanket ladder, so as I was mentioning, I may add some black in here. If I do, I'll be painting this blanket ladder black. I got this made when we were in Hawaii. Someone made it for me, but I've been thinking about painting it for a while. It's more like a gray color. And then pretty much the same thing here. I have the chairs there. I want to add some decor on this table behind it that I pretty much created. I made it a sofa table. And then on the coffee table, I just end up adding some books here. So I already had these books. These were in my office. And I just put these here, the coasters. I actually made these coasters. I want to get back into doing some of my crafting projects. I used to really enjoy them, but now it's like, I don't feel like doing it, but I really need to get back into doing it. And then I put the tic-tac-toe game down here. This was the one that I picked up from Five Below, and I just spray painted it gold and silver. And then I have my Bath and Body Works candle right here, one of my favorite scents, Champagne Toast. And then I also have these two decorative boxes here. So we basically just keep remotes inside of here. So if you want to disguise your remotes, this is a good idea to do that, so you won't have a bunch sitting on your table. But yeah, now I just need to figure out what I want to put on this fireplace because it's definitely bare. But before I even think about doing something with that, I noticed that it is turning yellow, which we had this problem in some other areas of the house. I was telling you guys how much they just threw this house together. So it was a lot of stuff that we noticed after, which we are pretty much out of our warranty now. I don't know where this came from right here. And you can just see all the imperfections. It's like, it's a little irritating that they just, you know, throw your house together and you give them all this money. So you can really see the yellow right here. So I need to get some gloss paint and repaint this. I need to sand some areas down first. You can see like how rough it looks right here. So yeah, I will be doing that pretty soon. I just need to go to like Home Depot or Lowe's to pick up the supplies. But yeah, that's it. And then in my office, all right, not a lot has changed here. Pretty much the same thing when I showed you guys what I did, but the only thing is the DIY. I really love how these books turned out, and these sketchbooks were really cheap. Like the small one was $5, and then the larger one I think was $8. But I honestly don't read like that. I used to love to read all the time, but all the pages are blank because it's a sketchbook. So I'm not sure if people actually read those decorative books. I know I don't. The ones that I have on my coffee table, they're just there for decorations. So I didn't want to spend all that money on these books when I know it was just going to be a decor piece. So that's why I decided to create it myself. So if you are looking for a inexpensive way to create some books, the luxury books, and you know, just do it yourself. But yeah, so I do want to get a sign for my business to put here. I found this girl that makes them. I follow her on TikTok, so I'm going to send her my logo and everything. So that's why I'm saving that space right there, because I want the sign to go right there once I get that created, and I will come back and show you guys. Dining room still bare. I think I might do like another table setting. I actually enjoyed doing that. I just need to look for some inspiration. So I left the mats on here. I'll probably put some chargers here and just do a little something for, you know, spring coming up maybe. And of course I will share that with you guys once I get that done. I have a DIY that I want to do for this room. So I want some type of what do you call it, like a cabinet, so I can be able to store like all of my decor for the holidays. So I did see a DIY that I wanted to do for this room, and that's probably something that will go right here, so it can serve like as a bar too. And it's an IKEA hack, which it'll be perfect for this space, because I told you guys it's not a whole lot of space, especially after we put the dining room table in here. So it's very slim. It'll be perfect for this spot. So I will come back and show you guys once I complete that as well. All right, my friends, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I just wanted to share a few updates with you all. I really love the way this DIY turned out with the books, so let me know down in the comments below what you think, and if you decide to do them yourself, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care.